Good morning. I am Coach Jenny from Smoky Point ShiftSetGo, and I am here with Emily, and we are making Jicama Chili Cheese Fries.
Yes.
And these are on our website, and we just want to show you how quick and easy it is to get that feeling of eating a really yummy French fry.
French fries, chili cheese French fries.
Yeah.
So we're going to start with some jicama. My preference is to buy it pre-cut. It's not really that much more expensive, and it would save me an hour. Because these are so hard to cut. These are like a rock, but this is what it looks like if you want to get a jicama whole. Pretty much every grocery store would have it, but they're just really hard to cut. So we have almost 4 cups worth of our jicama here, and if you get them pre-cut, you just take them as is. You could cut them down smaller if you want, but this is great. And then you're going to mix it with some olive oil. So I would just add it if you got this guy and shake it back up like a little salad. You could use a Ziploc bag if you want. And then you can do optional garlic powder, paprika, if you want it a little spicier, some chili flakes, whatever you want. Then we're going to bake them or air fryer them. So this is what they look like when they're done. So this is step 1, fries.
Yep, step 1 of the fries.
And we need chili and cheese.
Yes, and next I will start by adding my chili to the pot. Here, my water and the chili. So we'll take our ShiftSetGo chili mix. We have found if we just pour the chili into the pot and let it sit for a few minutes, that it'll thicken up and turn into a real nice sauce. And secondly, we are going to be adding some cheese for our hot cheese. Careful. There we go.
So this you can make while your jicama is either baking or air frying. So we have the instructions for either on the recipe here. Air frying is going to make them just a little crispier. So if you have an air fryer, great way to use it. So we'll just heat these guys up here. Okay, so we're back. We cooked our chili and we cooked our cheese. Yes. So now we're going to add it to our fries.
So we will add our finished chili here. This would be a great Super Bowl snack, any kind of an adult snack. And I think you could probably trick your kids with this too, and they wouldn't even know.
They're eating vegetables.
And they're eating a vegetable, and they wouldn't even realize it. And then we got our cheese sauce here that has been cooked down, and we will add that to the top. Yes, and try not to get the pot in the way.
Good. So this whole meal is going to actually make 2 servings because we've put 2 shift meals in it. Yes, and then it's going to make a total of the 4 cups of veggies. So if you split that in half, you're having a shift meal and 2 cups of veggies. So this would be great. Share half with your spouse, with your kids, or you could eat the whole thing and you have your day of veggies and 2 meals in it.
What else could you? When could you eat a whole thing of chili cheese fries and not feel bad about it?
Thank you.